kachira ho say papa medase udem ho na wona wo hwem no da papa na se se wo tike mu na ukra ofun e na wo hweme da na se se wo ye den wo te wo ho bebia wo bia ka se papa medawase wate waye bi well medin e di Diane eduhene Jemfi kwate na kusia ifi sabre ya ekuse no twebe boy element na wate Ghana nkomo ye ba bi di no fefefe tetete na ye de rabro nyanim ye nyina ye bi diabom efrisem se bi son se bi nyaato se minu mienu yankasa se bi de peno ye nsanka minu mienu yankasa emai no ni bu no ebe ye bibie wo ho minu mienu aba anase kokromoti ene ye de to aba se ne ebe ya emai yempanifo ayebeyi wom no ombetimi achichire man no amana ya kono edi amaye ententine fie ka say mabre MPP mabre NDC from Monday to Thursday we do strictly politics. Fridays near those trending stories no edia bro anopai latter part of the show be lines now to me edia ma enkoma ye ba bidin won so de wadwentre edi beba by calling us on phone afi so no make how say ye Facebook live no ejuma Koowaa TV GH yes Koowaa TV GH of course okoha with your comments with your opinion bibia fafa ho e wo comment section no making kind ede ama make I say wo be share ede ama na fofo so enye bi so go on Facebook is Koowaa TV GH you like the page you comment you share na fofo so enye bi a share so and I make I say as the PC farmer ya bofwa me say afimu nyina no wo motimi ekra yimu ebisi sabre it's not easy to sponsor a television show enye easy entine so motimi agina omo na aso na omo aso ya sinema edi show ya brewa afimu nyina ebisi sabre ya all we have to say is to thank them as the PC nkoma odi4 for but something kwekwe papa me bodi a na sere ahyemafunu mumma efise enije nko a papa odonko a na yede mawo yesinhra ede mawo so bode nyankopon no nto nkwanem na wo moa no ma fi bisi mu wonye from ensene from sene be ya obekoso ekrayi mu odi for for but something kwekwe papa e ho japekrom oso di hye na adwene mu ka no oyinu no ma basa emobrowa enyanke krafo ye nyina yesena no so pasi ye ntutumrika na ye mraja pekrom ne ba japekrom a odine drubeka ye ma ya resetimi a ye dia afi no ya ye ntade shem sebie son sebie kronto aye basa ye no ma sebiu di bidi aye den no osi ye mra bronyen obeto party amaye obeme ye didi efisa adoma chede no obo ade ne dia che no enti no owotema edima ankrankrebia the number na that screen is no fa na ne papa entwen komo 0243356583 na won entwen ko papa be joso no no be din komo ama won so no wokra eni etimi ache as a PSA bi enkoma Dori for Vigo Plus for doctors say we hefa ene ye wo ya boy papa ye da se wate ani doctor ye dase edawase a ensa oswapo ye wo ya say ye enemu yade netete wonko ade woni problem doctor say bomodian so bema wonsa ka Dori for Vigo Plus wonya Dori for Vigo Plus sibi na so no ma me say se wase na sebi oba ekeka wo sebio isufita ni free wase a ebenye ni ka pampa no ha adwene anope sebie son sebie nyaado me pa chomi nua ba e ma obunfumi bomodia so bebewrem e wo pharmaceutical shop bi e ben wo herbal shop bi e ben wo na kwaje Dori for Vigo Plus na onya bi na no wono no ma wase ho anasase ho ebe wiese se holidays na nanom befie abeji omo ahome mesro na na ba to no pono ma eponto no enye kama enya afi na sebiu obeba so ba bididi no na afi na bibi apem no na wakọ na choso edi ni eba ne saa emfa ho ne oba wegi fefefe wenim fefefe watade fefefe ato mass Max intimestro say kope Dori for Vigo Plus bi na nonom na ema ho enye nika na natututa tana so ba kwa so a botimi edidi efili style bi me ba chow say HIV money bi na sebie son sebie nyaado abore ni pedue mu a me kan for Dori for Vigo Plus ama o say numbi wo da hospital do so enka say ene yesi onom hospital drop wontimi enom heba enka ho try Dori for Vigo Plus na shade me say busum bi beso na obekọ asupiti se okoye tesi bi obekọ no na ye say emwa ni nyina no efri ni pedue no and that is the power of Dorifa Vigo Plus. Of course for number na that screen is 0244516592 0244516592 na when a doctor entwetwe nkomo o se wuntimi nkof masiriko shop bia na onkota wo dia ne say obefre no obeye delivery edi ama see the technology into no baby I will be and no say you place a call na doctor etime aboa adwuma ko mienu we na no pay one majebre etebri wo musika twitwidie asomasene ema medical wa show yi ebra well make us say live on Facebook Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube Koowaa TV, some darkos initiative, some darkos TV so no you streaming live e ho nti baby a wo bia na no pay medawase na ma chiaus no kokran kan mi krom nzamafo nsima mama bele ni amro moela biza be mu abashi banwolo kpala mongolo kpale mi so azo adron abua man biza abashi papa so azo benyina man biza abashi zani ale azimbrofo ama no kum biza abashi wuletu bluku so no ngban ma ngomo pebe prisi nyamne ojabe kekam eziema anochi ama tikobo number 1 number 2 anke possible eno ngban ma monwo ebe ni amla biza be mu abashi nyamne ojabe mebe sekuna atakura de fo so me cheche wonyina ma me Cecilia was secondi no o kwesimintim mfocho auntie say good morning to you ohuya muhuyi mitwe mama bobo ase na Stacy enye aunt wo hotin de hamata no aba auntie ya chichiru huye yo fa spread no fa chichiru huye na enframa wankomu atasa na edum fa no so mempede meba na academy tie me yodi na last me be na I fine enti mempede awo bi abedzo nti aunt chichiru huye for mom papa pabo ase fa wo hwehwe yi nyina so no me chichia obi a enokate anopem so why busy wo prepare wona na nyame hra maame na onye wakoma so ade emfa emma nkwatenten ahode wom na me sede ma awo batampa nyame hra wona papa kodwa edu hini sanso opambu we papa wache oho ya me hoye me kwa ma no ne abra kwaku our beloved kwaku bra kwaku hoye ma official pawate ma official pa nyame onso nkwanem sanso na inakusaje mfua obidi akon awo batampa oho ye de me kokwaku ho na yaba ebro nya ba besa ati bidi akufo nyina yechiamu nyina nyame onshram well be kwai force babusia for ho me chiamu nyina ousu ene mo amaka nyina na fefe ya se Danny boy mo nyina me checha mo nyina kobi fe ya se me chiamu tano so yes my beloved nanaya ne busi gutano so nyina so no me chiamu nyina nyankopon enshram anopa me motivational me dey ma ne say don't be jealous emma we anti jealous and show being kase o nipa we dey we brinye ya man we ya ni senti ubema we ni abre no what jealous jealousy sebie son sebie nyaato edi or how bebre eba say wo jealous nkrofo bebre a ade omo na woni bi na wo pray because ahoya se menka na ahoya o se menka ni brew se menka ne sen ema we ni mrobi bronye me se de wo no ma wani so afi ye koremu be content with what you have ubitimi even kwa kokoba kope ena osika beso 1 million won say dem sika no 1 million ena ubitimi ato akoko no na we ne epo ba ko ama wo ne wo manyina wani so 26 simple na wonwa mo jollof mpo na ubitimi wantimi na nwa mo mpa no ma wo kra ni nji ema wo ho emma wani mrobi ama nimpo ena sebi obekodwom na wakwakoto na de beef awo no na busani nyina mani begise bronya no nyina mohia wani nso emma wani mrobi atade ba ko a wani nso wantimi anto atade na dada na mese wani nso senka wa monitor me acha throughout this month every day eno ma me share ya che na me guso a me she this a one time en show yi you will see say I've gone back. I'm wearing old dresses. Media. And yes sponsor me we are me dey come ni ra. Entim pacho. Me a mentade and amishe. You go me wardrobe. Efuno me a me pese me de bi mo bi a me bone bede na me de akomo bi say maame wo su gi shebi na ma ginshira asa. Emma when him ruby. And can say nipa we did be or sanity home, a be or sanatadio or san and pabo any bre obey crom for. Won so. Me fa mi sika nyina nkotata de bia metene TV so ma me yehye penchro na me wia makusu 2 hours na me wia makusu de bi me nyeda minya metobi afrem minya sponsorship a mehye menya media mehye edoso mekwa kofa de mehye 5 months ago na me sanhye. This is an old dress ti mesel say wo de na ye dada na wo so gu wodrup no kofa hye wati na mo akra ninji woni obi any competition. I just work was na ade nuru ade akoma no. That one day I can't say anything but be content. Ati na me show me wi ma show nkunan se wuti e beboa wo wanti a ono ze wara nhwe celebrity bi da bi a shatare mo no da bi a pamo ya ma no owi a no de ko enwu ni wodu penya ne dia empabo anyina omo de ma ye hye wi de solite pitarias wi a ne ya wae ne de omo ade akomo nanso media meni obi ani asa na mba ma mo bi din aka say wo hye matare wa mo mi din da bi it's mine e da me show bi atale mba mbo nipa ni din e ya wo chehwe mama clue wa ko ti mesra wo say bro nyen ma ye real a kire wo show you so ache nti ye real ma ho wate en show bi na ma kire ninji ma motivate. If you like, take it. If you like, don't take it. Wa na ho be chiro wa na bebre wa na wona ma wo ha hai na obeboro musia nyame nka ho anopai me pacha wo me bisa wo say me question for the day. Yesterday we spoke about something so beautiful na enkrofo ka say oh na amafoni agi even after the show na enkrofo every say hey Diane, in fact I deal with the how you na mpese me ware nso no se bi son se bi nyaado na me dwe ho se obey so pe white word ma ware me read dada so still ano o say okọ romance no me nko mabodin o say okọ romance no je say me ko asori dem ekoye no white wedding and san wetimi di communion enti no wo ha me saa me so me niska akosia he say me ne den obey so pe so okọ asori dem ko di communion he say roman from ben hye fofora na me say bisa ho roman from ben hye foforo. Is a pressure better me mani bebre so womo so mo amye amaso de ma meye white wedding womo entimi any communion Roman sa ebi namko enti my area and say Roman fathers any bishops mo be meeting na mo assess that concept na because ama me mani bebre suffer say because they've not done a white wedding or they've not brought their wives into the church to wear a white gown and all that. They cannot take communion and they are suffering. And to mo sister and amu de mo da su gina hwa say mo ye fidi wi amu samra sorry de mo share white wedding and son o motimi adiko because of communion. Some men are suffering. Anope me bi sa say sebi son sebi nyaado say oba ware na se ofafuru na owa eye by force say e wo se na ase etu free ni fie be ma no maame tienie manka oba ne maame so oba na kone maame ho akowo that is different but oba ne ankone maame ho se me kowo me maame ho na otini kunu fie se bia so metikuma ase na me ni mi kunu netie me maame Kate oboase na bia amaso no so watamali na sebie so mawo me say aso no me kunu maame ye na sedie se wo se ofri tamale ebetine kuma ase so obehwe me ana se nye by force enemy bisa tienie me say oba akwaware wa fefuru wawo ana se oba oni ni kruti a wa wanyinsen na wawo owo a eye ni kunu maame asedie se e wo se baabi owo bia no jade oye bia no no betna na ase ne nchen na ohwe no e bia na wotwe mienu busome ansa na wesanko musi so se maame no kono kudware akra ne ade eye ohye ana se nye ohye e kwan wo muti mi ba ana se kwan ni mu a maame timiti na ho e bra ne ho be so abehwe na ase no oba no wa betimi adware wade ana se e bia oba no ne maame mum na wo mra ana yo hye tieni yo hye se wo se be ma ne maame ne betena na ase ne nchen ne hwe na and then maybe saw no pay. That is my question for the day. My question for the day. Maybe saw no. Oba wa otini kunu fie no wa. Be ma ne maame na wo se ofri baby owo bia no na oba na obehwe no. Ana se oba ne maame so timi baby. That's why the fact say bia as oba no e bia manyem me kowo a me maame wo boase me ye boase ni timi kukurum kukun kaka na me ko boase. Na dey na sem tire kuma na me wo sem ko wo maame ho na maame ahwem na sem anko me maame ho anko wo na me maame Kate ahwem a eye me kunu no e maame asede se baby owu bia na wo so jade o bia no ba no betina me nche no hwem a na eno e na me bisa anope o frame a no ma o TV na akofom no wati mi wo phone no se na edi nkomo ati menim se oda so da mpem wenukum kakra na so mo ho a wo kakra wo enso frame a na ma ne so kakra enti no MCR4 the number no ebeti screen no se na edi nkomo before then and nkomo ye bi de ne se enra na unit committee ne assemblyman for election no ye de hihye so tin ewo krom ha na de beto odwa ne se unit committee and assemblyman election no easy mistakes bebre fault bebre eni hu ye ewa batu imu eno nam so ama bia bebre wo ntimi anto aba ne ene same say unit committee eye wo mo bebese ba assemblyman for the ama obi o ballot no oda so ebia oye number 1 obe no akoto number 10 number 4 eni ade eno nam so ma emie bebre wo mo ntimi anto aba no na eno na no pay me bebisa o say unit committee and assemblyman election po ena wuntwi ene chese ups and downs a ballot pay bi de ba bi ne ma obi mfonyine ba bi mfonyine de ma obi din ba obi din ma obi de order number 1 obi no order number say ni ade mistakes onkwa ye bisa se sanu ma we nyina akoso a even senke ye general election ye presidential and of course the parliamentary elections ena ye kotwa na sabato ye ba betu 2024 na no ma we nyina akoso a me bisa o se ebebwa wo hye den ene bisi asumdwe beba ana se asumdwe ema eno ena bedwafo betina sia ye bedi ho nkomo ena nope de koso e wa bato emu ama areas bebre yentimi anto eno ene bisa se senka eye elections anka say presidential and parliamentary elections and I say 2024 election ya ye ba be na sa no ma we nyina course na nka abehwe no yero aba umi na say excellency vice president e was so that number say be number 1 for example no akoto number 2 and I say we akode say na say be an info nyine achia na we ayi say na we ayi say wo shed dia sumdwe ebeba krum ha ana. That is what we're talking about this morning. We're live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, some Darkos initiative, some Darkos TV. We also streaming that. So subscribe to our channel. You like the page, you comment, you share. Na ubinso enyebi ashe 25 minutes after 6 a.m. From here, na yenko 0202 6684 61. So about what? Na sibem and I say ni kunu mame specifically na said yes was say baby will be ano o free ho na oba ebetina na so oba no na ohwe no and I say oba ne mame sweet me hwe ni bi.
Good morning.
Nana macho
Official.
I've been committee yo. Afisi se nana mpacho me hoye na wonso e
me contribution no me be now e say Obama me ewa no ma me net into to say be ma me be Obama no go so bia na ma me no di media for bia o ti net into to say ma me be Obama no go na me ka ho ba bia
na me ka so ho na onye wakoma so ade nyina emfam tano so for me chichiam me se me ba tano so yes I don't know when we're breaking. You be break it up on Friday or Monday. Okay, you break it up me tano so Nana, I'll come and look for all of you. Nyami Inshamo. From him 0202668461 Oba wa otiawarasi no wa ni kunu maami ase wo so oba behwe nana. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, madam.
Medo na what to say?
Oko na mo so.
Nyako paadom yes ye ho ya aficha pa.
Yeah. Do you know me? Emma, I'm not ready to say what we offer. No other thing.
Okay. All right. Nyami shall be brave. Also, the contribution or dear Bano so say be man and mammy so I said it. Say was so free baby or no baby. Hello, good morning. Hello. All right, 0202668461. Frame 28 minutes after 6. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, darling. Now, hey.
Let's have a namuswe.
Now, Papa, me see where pa. When I'm the next.
Apa saya di stasiun awal ni, ya pa. Good morning. Nah, yang itu saya ni
my TV no conform. Me tell me when science on can you wadaroma. All right, so let's hear you. All right, well, Navy, let you kasa. Oh, person mo kasa me ho. Unfortunately, okay, Mr. So frame ya. No, my TV no echo form, so you can hear me clearly. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Pacho Dini baby akase free.
Pacho Reverend Prophet Matthew Simmons in Adankwa, me barikesi.
Afishapo.
Oh, African committee de biara da o ni wa hodia enkwa wo ma yi nyina ka ho.
Reverend Prophet yenti wa no pay.
But let me catch a no credit. That's the man head into ya said you say. Bema no ma me ba ibi gara bofa no mi ano ba ni me gale bi bi en telefon ka si bi en kwale nkan bi tuma bo mo
okay
ibi ba na so bi en telefon bi mi gwa mo ba en yetin chinchina because o ba ni me gale nko ade ni ti gara bofa na ya o no si bi tumi e gamba e ye e me ya se bi se bema no e ma no me ba ko bema no head no me enka o
baba enka wo so ho baby I will be no nyami sure be Reverend Prophet Martin nyami onye wakoma so ade ma afia ibiremi. Hello, good morning. Oh, so sorry also be to me afraid. Call me back na yenko 0202668461. Okay, so about our rest to know what.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, darling. I want to say.
That's a new name.
Uncle Pado, my fish pa.
I think Papa committee.
Sa.
So then the thing to share if you look at the other and then the
so.
Yeah, so in terms of I am we can see in Africa. If you are not who so oba efa yefuna bema no aware oba no ikisise nyina no bema no na ahunse ba na baby shi edem ichi oba fa yefuna so ba wi a bema no na tege se na on so se ni mame be hwe me da no na mufu efi
okay
la so mame ni nya ko na se ba mame no here also who find actually the share obano na you if you care any the dia no then I know na say the share afeno so the
okay, Nyamisha Bebre, thank you for calling me for last two calls. Now, me enjoy the curtains down on the phone in section. Now, memory fee, me didn't come more. I no pay, woman no be didn't come more. Miratico, of course, Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the MPP, Sanso and Jackson Pranso member. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, me don't patch on my so kakra, my first lady. Would you baby frame me free? Oh no. My lady, call me back. Me patch off, frame me back. Mpesa many obane kasa. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Adona, I want to say.
Me
patch on ya me adom me hoye pa afisha panso.
I think I'm not sure. The same man said you must say you are for thinking.
Oh, what's your kwaba? Na na mpacho minti wa no pay.
Me so imagine children say oba na wa wo no say sorry mu na ho sisi mu wo fere maximum tinka ba ye mini magin chere senka wo se oba ni mu ma no ene ba ba hwe de bana senka de ebe bua oba ni mu so you can say na me be me tinka no ma me na wo so oba nke sa ma me na wo oba no yo na tiki oba no you can papa ni dia oba no ma me mu
okay
ene ba no be hwe ne ba nke ba bua
okay okay
Nana
Yedasi Nana Wanu Sham Nana Waya Papa I love this contribution, trust me. Mudia Mudiba in come, but I think say there's a massive point in this one because and I will be free around my mom. Remember they meet my BBA, but Masidi and I said the Ferry Kakrabe or yeah, I think you're right. You have a serious point there. Well, me fa call baby here. I see live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, some Darkos initiative, some Darkos TV so you streaming live or subscribe to your channel no na like your page and na comment na share na afofo so enye bi enhye anobe enkomo ayeba bedi and say enra and I was say unit committee and assemblyman elections no yɛde so elkrom ha na at the end of the day no e because so e bi mutimi to omode bi mo nso antimi anto omode all because say areas bi yo hono ma you see and unit committee ballot paper beba no na chis assemblyman for the my we die beba no na we die my we just say at the end of the day no obi picture bon say na e was say eda number 1 akoto number 2 e was say number 2 quarter number 5 any other a whole lot of brouhaha and a course no am so ama elections no be empty me anto na no na ebisa say isi sa or how we nyina e develop even assemblymen and unit committee elections you senka wempa enye a whole general elections enye presidential and parliamentary elections simple and a we course in senka 2024 aye to aba ena sanoma we nyina course so a enke se bisa say e de asomdwe beba o man mu enke dian ena de beba eno ho nkomo ena anope yeba abedi straight away Miratiku Atna say yes. I would love to welcome him. Of course, Daniel Tiku, head of welfare, MPP communication team member, Mira Akwaba, and then was Sheda Blendo colors, the MPP colors. Oh, yeah, dear. Avisapa, and then we are from Brunya, dear mammy. If he says, he say next week, Yinsha,
sir,
Yinsha. Enti no ubia ba no kwa me bronya de na modi amame ansa na
te ye den kwa bini se bronya kwa aso we head it e mo 20
December eh mi ratiku de bronya anso
David
ada so hye bi o
nya so hye
na de
nya so hye na date na edidi bronya nti me head date no o ka bronya nam ko head date
na 20th
na 20th
enti ochna fiada 21st Saturday 22nd
ocha ya wada o
sorry. Ocha Thursday into Ocha 21st.
Yes.
Thursday, Friday 22nd. Kwesiada ene ye 24th. Ejuada ye 25th. 25th no minshia. 25th minshia.
Mate kasa.
Mira kwa baby.
Meju so bro.
If you boko.
Yam mi adum bibia boko.
Ebusiafo nyina ho.
Yam mi adum obia ho ye.
Yaba.
Yaba. Yesterday na mechia me hene na adum sansare na mekom hene.
Great.
We are machia me party chairman Bernard Entwibosi akon Ashanti regional chairman na me am director Paul Kobna Yando, director of communications Ashanti region MPP. Na said na come ho fade no. Me say ebraso say be magana po the difference between MPP and the other parties. Because any party ba mu a social programs are cover both the poor and the rich. My businesses near the akoso. Inti brano bia no ye ka say ye MPP for ye na sense de ye osono na osono party ne party a ye boa na ye say ye be dia ban mu a ye boa magana po nyina di yi. Inti brano bia no ye pese obi a ye MPP ni bia wo hwe ye bia no fa na bia o de MPP sem ka ho mama fo ni say party yi gina brane na me adoma 2024 na e be breaki the 8 nya boa nya kwa nim nya magana edi yi said yedi yi na ya break 8 na magana fo nyina hoto nti wo mi anopa yi se ebigum komo na ye ndaso a wo ho magana ni bia se MPP nko an ya ban e ba e ma ye ho ahehaye nti na wo mi sa
and then in fact my shade feel colors no wash that blend but that's nice. Yes. Yeah. Well, straight away, Koowaa ye bid him say what that we share in elections here. Areas be brave and to me and so about all because of little hinges a buy ye will be your area be your unit committee a year of ballot pabano ne we dear assemblyman for diama obeshen will be dean was said daha and naho and same say bibri munyai na me say bisa say momo wa bemu na isi se no ma we nyina e course no wo sha 2024 election and na we course wa e da so bi baba
beda tie fo nyina ase so maje bre na omutie no mo hwe nso minyaba de eye me ya de bia meka me ba me sate meka se problem pa Ghana ban the face pa ne the NDC because enye NDC are ke de ehun kensi e will become say eh bibia ne the friend NDC e de be friend NDC because ye nyina ye kwa benkro mu mmiri bi atwam say the district assembly elections ye ne partisan say ye ne partisan anka sa nitty-gritties and I say sa meetings e be koso ansa na ya to abai can cure all these problems that we are facing now. Now it's only the assembly members and the aspirants who are in talks with the even sure say or more any other forum or money aspirants in electoral commission investigation to see say documents and everything is ready. See national elections are IPAC is here. Yeah, even the printing of the ballot near DHD you could make sure say everything is intact. And no baby won ma problems are na eba enti no ye catch Ghana fo nyina say NDC ye problem na ye ka aya manfo ntiase ye nyina ye gitum both MPP and NDC nyina gitum say be the district assembly elections no partisan because already it is partisan.
No, I don't get it. I understand say mujitum somebody in a partisan but this is an EC who is organizing an election and all this petty mistakes has really pop out and say a poppy up is it the fault of the NDC?
No, a human institution. Okay. And this printing, no, we know it's a national elections. The district assembly elections, it's a national election because we are voting every corner of the country.
I know.
It's the characteristics of the national elections.
Okay.
And therefore, say BBC, the entire pushing for the partisanship of the district assembly elections. So we come everything say go and watch their posters. Well, red, white, and blue, you are likely to lose because that place is predominantly NDC. So, who come a bit to say Subiya? What about your colors? Green, black, red, and white, you are likely to lose because that place is predominantly MPP. And we know, say, even their posters show say it is partisan. We are only hiding behind the screens. These things are partisan. Say, Kaya partisan. Anka electoral commission organize IPAC, DIPAC, all the PAC. To make sure say you be electoral commission officials no e be sia anka printing before them ke ba beto abane nra no anka ye be ko sia kuhunu be a printing no ehunu sheet no averted to see whether the elections will go on or not because you know ye see ye no easy and na create our problem.
Okay.
Now so you be bi wonu mo anka partisan anka ya de anka be sia no ke ehunu no enu a chi enwumre ana enu a chi anopa ehunu se sia so ntimi nto aba baby to say asafo ntimi nto aba because e bia do number 1 akokoda number 2 do number 2 akoda number 1 enti nge bia nka assurance no mmoka enkono aduane emfa enkofo nkotrata police areas no emmomo oda aduane anopa wi anwumre embo sa aka no if you say you a problem or but any say partisan enti no there's no opportunity for EC to meet the aspirants and also the parties involved so the beya sa problems are you facing na and can face now so NDC at the last hour the amount for ntias they say you na ko share ko bankom say be any partisan at the 11:39 or 11:59 hour the last hour at the last even minute and NDC for because there be omo mpire any partisan ebra no magia to mu bi atwamu last hour for propaganda sake for nipa nimu sake ntino obaka so mo mpire enu ne yehu ne nei enu na ma oman aboka as far as aboka memory bibiri because you are already a partisan because we already know we will not be able to engage the easy yet me easy for nin komo before the elections. And sad again, we want the EC. Problems with the EC. Because they knew that it was not partisan, and the EC for any aspirants, the assembly members and the aspirants, other aspirants, didn't have the opportunity to meet them and see papers. No?
Okay.
It's the problem now, but no, squarely at the doorstep of the EC. They should come and tell us something better.
Okay. Because
it is not easy to organize an elections. Not easy at all. Even their voters are even outside electoral area. Only for us to know about Amaso. Already the district assembly elections, the turnout is low. So when you continue to do some of these things, it will further make it so low because working day and about one be
weekend
usually me I propose days Saturday and Sunday. Even Saturday is good, okay, because Sunday predominantly churches services are there.
Yeah.
But I didn't say they are very problematic for the 2024 elections because obviously the national elections will have delayed for another 2 days, which is not good because it will create a lot of unnecessary tensions. But the cure for some of this problem is to make the district assembly elections, and I mean, can I say assemblyman for Abano? You're the partisan because it is already partisan. And this is when Jaya Chumne, Musamano. No me the partisan say the beya parties in yado many be fe no mahwem na make sure say you be electoral commission am ye de see anya the side always you have some of this
so
problem.
Because it's not partisan and no na o suggest say ama EC me mistakes be say
them because any partisan don't make mistake the mistakes no already has been done by them but can say partisan na your interest as a MPP MDC for your interest as NDC parties are carrying almost interest. Okay. And therefore, from all the processes, I've been part of IPAC before. Okay. And I know say about the tour by the political season that we are part of every stage of the elections.
All right.
And therefore, EC is always on these toes because they know say somebody is watching them. And only a catch Ghana for NDC will continue to do something and will continue to have some of these problems. Because national elections, some of these mess will not happen at this scale because it was all across Ghana. And there's a problem we buy you. All across Ghana, we have some of these problems. But I'm sure saying partisan and can just have problems here. But MDC phone share nimu bibia mo person mo di nimu wo mu no Ghana phone say I'm defend something no. And this assembly election no say they partisan. Everything in Ghana is partisan, even including some of the churches. And then so mean politics whether we like it or not. Let us accept it and deal with it. See, I guess I need very more. It is high time we go back to that now you visit that airline to make sure say I'm partisan.
Well, in this, development, Abe, do you think say a bit me so the general elections 2024?
Oh, obviously, mean this so be when it comes to how the printing and other things will be done.
But even this small one, look at what
it is
have experienced.
Because it is happening because who watches the watchman? There's nobody watching the EC over this district assembly elections.
Okay.
Nobody. There is nobody watching them. And so when they are making mistakes, the mistakes keep going. But when we national elections, no, we have people at the print house who are monitoring to make sure say that irregularities now on that large scale. And that's the main problem that we are facing now. But a wake up call for all of us, and I think say in the 2024 elections, it is going to tell us that anything can happen. Therefore, parties will have to put their best foot forward to make sure that the printing of the ballots you better fear any cause any delay in the elections.
Okay.
But I will continue to advocate this should be a lesson to them. Say about one see a human institution, they will make a mistake.
So why is it that we don't have somebody who is watching the EC? Or here in Swama Sanoma winning
why? Rubber to form red light. Red light. They are more indisciplined than Ghana. The crime that goes on outside this country that's how amanonino and so say the Ghana for you come nemo emra ene obi a wo hwe wo e wo ho enu nti na omonye saade because wonu say so the ball no to form a e wo mra be kwati a nti wo fa ball no to form but how they am for the free roll near can say the moment it become partisan we will now we are aspirant even before look at the number of months the aspirancy just about a month or two and about say about two this assembly elections and therefore you are aspirant where do you go to EC say me be jine binti no mo printing ba be hwebia na then anybody can just walk out to the EC and say me ba be hwebi which is not safe but if it is partisan we have recognized parties ambro mo reps be ba EC was say money go for windile already we have our people at the die park the red park all those park areas who watch the electoral commission to make sure that the right things are done because we have interest and only yesterday say omumienye the partisan it's high time the time has come yenye the partisan the partisan ebe boy nyina and only yesterday is omumienye anya sadia this will continue to happen
because again also say you know NDC for MPN Mamonya the partisan what is preventing
obviously it's propaganda and cheap political points because yenye yeji to at the initial stage to the middle stage to the final stage for them to turn and you musem and the government looks bad but the air can say this problem will continue because easy for them just look at the easy for them officer how would they know say Teko Daniel is MPP and is number one and now number two they might make exactly but who is representing me at the electoral commission to say no okay they're two about number one they're two about number two there's nobody there to do that me wa make campaign makacho obi ase odu on number one odo do that first na atoma no makacho obi say me da ase o odu ase o na atoma me
na say no obi be koso okoto no be ko no minim say bia o miratiku oso da number no be ko no hu ho a
who one man say
you lose
yes
the is not going to vote for you
and until na omo be bia esesa no say there be yempene makom montina ko campaign a chiro mo say ye to aba wo yisi wo no na me da number one nti wo kwa number one toma me wo kwa number 3 toma me nti ba ne ko kan 1 2 3 obokono na you be for da o nti nya de mepia me ato aba it is high time we make a partisan so the be ya be di akire aku make sure say MPP ni da number 1 nti ko atoma number 1
okay
MPP ni da number 3 nti ko atoma number 3 that one the arrangement is already there and our party politics and as a electoral it is partisan let us make a partisan to solve this problem and yes sir in the future the EC will have to devise a means to make sure that aspirants biano 3 days or 4 days before elections come to our electoral commission area to make sure that everything is right and it will create more chaos because when you look at certain places NIPA 27 and a contested for
parliamentary and
unit committee now the 27 in Embra in Shayaso office of the electoral commission. Let's not forget we have Subi electoral commission there. We have a lot of areas. Then that place will be jammed because Obiaba be 111 and the offices are there. It's the yearly also because already these elections are partisan. Okwa Uba Sumia all the electoral areas is red, white, and blue with the exception of areas that be yellow. Almost the NDC colors here. Electoral fortunes are quite high. And no mesa. And yes, sir, it is already partisan. It is the only thing they own for MPP logo and two. But we colors about area had it. We were MPP, we were NDC.
Obviously, if you get up so area had
the colors will show.
Okay.
Okay, red, white, blue, and black because predominantly this. Oba Subin, Oba Menshia, Oba the red, white, and blue. It is there. The NDC following a young man in my head. If it's not say a partisan, we will take our rep to the place and make sure say EC is doing the right thing. And yes, the EC should devise means to make sure say these things are done. And baby, two abanashe de biano. Meaning how the EC is going to compensate the aspirants because I've been a unit committee member before. I've done it for 2 terms and I'm a Jaya contested you. And I know that before elections, you committee for Moka. But this time around, they are spending. Someone may contest now poster crowd headings over poster. But now no banners, be here banners near there for unit committee. They are spent. So if you tell them to spend 2 or 3 days more, they are going to spend more. And the EC should not make such a mistake. It's sad, but I think that they should come and tell us something better.
Well, as an Babeka something better, they actually, looking at, all this brouhaha, say me bisa 2024. Is it going to be a bit tension be babana?
Oh, 2024, I think that EC should revise its notes when it comes to say about 12 up on 3 o'clock. Because so already SCC here, the trust for them to execute that novelty,
okay.
Among for best suspect, and therefore I think that the EC should engage IPAC more. Now, on church, you says at 3 o'clock, you do more. At the end of the day, you go more 3 o'clock, you beat my 2 hours.
Okay.
Because I know because 3 o'clock, no, born no 9 or noon, and Uncle Fujina, Lime more 2 hours, baby. No credit say, Okachagan, and he said, but 2 hours, you know, Chinkrana, you won't conform, but I'm not as I'm about 2 hours. But in case there's an easy for me church, which they say, maybe more polling stations that will be able to take about 3,000, 4,000 people at a go, and therefore closing at 3 is feasible. No more church anymore. You better see any to abandon by 3 o'clock because we believe that my church is mommy at say. And they should do more engagements.
But
3 o'clock
is not too early.
No, it's not too early if they put things in order. Because between I think 10, 11 o'clock up to bed 3 o'clock, not gonna be bringing uncle to Aba. No money in fear, train, your boy, it's a 5 o'clock, never to Aba. But if say they said 3 o'clock, will be aware of your to Aba, will go there before 3 o'clock.
Okay.
But the Indian say, on train, and your mum dear go more, say, about 3 o'clock. Now, say, it be a nipa 100 needy, and a nipa 300 DQ, so the likelihood of 300 in your back, say, by our be and only scientific data research to show say by 3 o'clock because any name say about to say can't call you somewhere and then a problem. It is a many opportunity near to Abano up on 3 o'clock near kind not by 5 or 6 o'clock. You can't abandon a boy now and the best say to mobile side and now boy I'm only at 3 o'clock you meet to Abanawi. I don't yes wrong.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Well, yeah, live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV. Some Darkos initiative, some Darkos TV and so on. You streaming live, hold the answer, be subscribe to the channel. Now, what like your page, you know, comment, you know, share. Now, I for so any be a share, and I don't pay many a Mira Daniel Tiku or a chance regional communication team member for the MPP, and of course, say, Mira Jackson Pra. On also so Ashanti regional communication team member for the NDC or Babetna say NGB. I don't pay come my and say Yesha Bruha Koso Ewa Batua Koso Enreimo assemblymen and unit committee elections na de beto and say any obehe no abato no the unit committee ballot paper ba any obewins assemblyman for the ama obehwe no na wemfo nyina ba obehwe na wemfo nyina ma obehwe no there was say order number 1 no akwakoda number 10 there was order number 2 no akwakoda number 5 and all that. You see a whole lot of bra and sorry ewo abatu yi mo enran no nam so ama areas bebre one more entime anto aban no ho komo na ye ba bedi right about now Mira Jackson Pra Atnasi na mekone ho, but I have this SMS here that I would love to read. It's from a BB says that I am good morning. Let me tell you, this coming 2024 election is not going to be easy. NDCs will open their eyes, so do NPP. So it's going to be a crucial match between the MPP and NDC, but at the end of the day, victory will be for Ghana. We say MPP, we say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, we say JDM, we say oh, you this boy. Anyway, let me come back to Facebook live na remember Mira Jackson Pra akwabe ene de said ne ba you be represent ne party colors, and this is Asanteman NDC club. This is the we are saying for victory.
Yeah, together for victory.
Together for victory. Mira Jackson Pra akwabe.
Yeah, media.
ho ye die
nyame adom me ho ye
baby ho ye
baby ho ye
what in buy
David na dem
ene ma fa number oh na kam nya card ne buy
obedi ma 19 obesha manama ho
utu ana wetim
ya into ko school ma ku ya obesha manama
well akwa baby
ya me de
yaba minim say what the topic in that
mati bibia
sorry ya ene say no about to call areas we brain to me anto aba because of bruha na hwa isi sa na ye we nyina no odikura announces odikura 2024 election mu the presidential and parliamentary elections na yeto na oye sa no ma mistakes we nyina ebeba
mira me na wase obapa mfe no so no penso de wa husu na nya agro na minchia binu apanyi susu se manadikan mama ba die na tuja na mebono
onse bebu bi
se ne ye adwuma na mama na se nyame adoma o china na his excellency John Dramani Mahama
okay
ye dey 24-hour work chenchirenchi ehihyesu Kumasi china Kumasi be bia be John Dramani Mahama
oh wow
Kumasi
ana ba be dwen you make
Baba nene channel program no saso ye shase fra Brabus post office ye de nemu abefa so amra na
no be to antide
oh ye de famwa bi gina so amra about e de afa abefa bantima Kumasi yempa ye de abi wura dum
oh wow
ye de afa abefa asafwa de afa Kumasi akofa mokomu ani afa be pie Jackson ya be pie Jackson Park
beautiful
ye ba Kumasi who said the 24-hour system the 24-hour paradigm shift has come to stay.
Okay.
Oh, near ye ejuma ye amranti ni bi nya ejuma nye no. They say labor unions ni nyina ase ampa. Obeba na obi ti akonya ba ko ho. Obeye ejuma sa 60 years. Obi so nya sa akonya no ntena da so nyina ko the same school. John Dramani Mahama say obeye 8 hours na kofia. No obi so abenya 3 hours. It is our unemployment rate na 14% in a year. Ya the 24-hour neba aban be fa bi enyumako nsusu ankomu nya ankomu operating anajo wa bra security ni akwanbo ni nti omu ntimi nya adwuma no we are beefing up the security we are tweaking the system no mo so atimi aye adwuma anajo no ma fa ni ba ni bebre na masabi mama yetimi aware na mama bebre ya so aware boto mu nyenti na ga na adua kra ntimi nto gabins ntimi nto o kire nti tra John Mahama what the 24-hour economy aba ene echira nyame aduma ye ho work Kumasi ti me share NDC wo ba se ye yatade na wo sha ye ma fans nwa panyin die wo sha se corona de enche
me ye sure so share na terrible
first panier wa dey be friend drivers for change
okay
total drivers teachers the total drivers ni taxi drivers na MPP mo flyer komi esesa omu ka mu sa na obi ayi petrol nti obi abofu nti say NDC die na wo sha bra mo nyere ho atene eta machi mo nyere mo
nti say obi a she bi
no
but me share bi so
tell we want me share we are some training but obi a waka bia na asofo ni bibire share NDC wa atade na se om de kaso na buso mo so share NDC mo nyere mo ate de mpa but time machi everade ide bi keke na men concept so
customer me
oba fefe de bia NDC for ye ka ye tumira na ya chesi ye din baako so hwe ye principles I the found the NDC party na asamo ye kan ye probity accountability and social justice probity ne say ye mfa asamo ntu nipa so we probe before we talk intini frame probity and accountability and ye the bibi shawo nsan so a e wo se obebu hu contact chairman for that is the accountability nti wo mfa ne se oman na wote so ne ye fi akonya ebusu akonya e na ate so nye open na wo ye yes ye principle ye probity and say ye ka asem a ye hwem ye dosuko ansana ya bokọ edu Pajot mase enunti ye fiti kan se isi electoral commission mami ne niye bi a wo ye no edin susanso bi beba enye papa na wo twa saboni bi ato wo yes hey NDC for no ne say yes NDC for no patapa for and omutu edin bebre
usu se pe na mompe ma menasem
Yempe wasem said the unya Ghana ni. One near,
but I said you'll be beyond people have.
Now there's no why papa.
Okay.
Again, Jimensa ya papa.
Mammy Jimensa on you be
Again, why papa they catch me. Obi otimi try letter Emma NDC any amanyuko akase emra iPad. No the NDC time share 10 p.m. no the MPP 4 times share 9 a.m.
Are you sure?
I'm telling you. Ye J letter near say letter the number time I shall so meeting. 10 p.m.
Enya
MPP for late. MPP for nya wo de na ade a yisi assign. Na odi date ni bibia boss no assign na stamp from EC's office. Ye de bere na ye de 9 p.m. At 10 p.m. MPP for the 9 a.m.
So what did you guys?
You could do one ago. You quite a meeting here na no pa. That's we
Jackson.
I am telling you. Who the son who follow entertainment no. Near no. Mami we na juma dia wedding abakosemu Ghana abakosemu bi nsi ada menuaba. Say easy. Aye sorry. Easy aye elections. Na we changing na no sa imprensia. One election results. Ebin si Ghana bakosemu da.
Ebin si da.
Obi o say you was say wo bo eho na no afom no correct. We dey was say results ya ebobo ye aba ye tu ye MPP we na MPP nyae we na NDC nyae nti aba ye tu ye no NPP na ye declare no winner for the 2020 election. You see you yate. Ade chia was there be abana mbobo ye no masaya sakraye we changing na no sa 6 different days 6 different numbers.
Figures by an ABA na from so baby.
From so baby. And the moon, she said, ye co Supreme Court, I never quite yes, record Amaji, Mensa Bigina, Adakam. Ye miss Anna say, what Cabo was saying, never an ascend or tinin and Nuncia, then so caught a mark and TNT me, Missa, your friend on Tunche. But the bottom line is say, Mammy changing no imprints, which is a public knowledge. Now, o kontabu for o IT for into omo nyina ka bom so community am 1+1 and see now we were competent no obi abehwe abato so one digit it means say bibia ade no kwa 0.0 50+1 entinya 50+01 kura na edem
okay
but what must enti o yesa eniema we nyina kosi obi ni wa yakwakoto aba wo Ghana ma kosemu a ya to aba wo Ghana abakosemu ya to aba ya kun nipa nwotwe aba to oba akon.
It looks like you guys more interested
in somewhat you were interested because we are party to the election. It's interesting when we say Ghana is free and fair. So here a coat of arms na e da Ghana ye nim na e no freedom and justice ade bi e so be e free na kumam e free ne fa hodie mu na afi so pere yo eye ho maye ti e free a coat of arms no e gba anim freedom and justice enti mi ma say e beto aba wa abra nya free and fair ye beto aba wa abra ensisi na kwan so se ne mra ye kuchire de bo man ho bra etie. And that is why we are saying say maame no woni madwuma One wabo papa wabo abato adwuma mu
but I so to me organize here abato
de say obi abetime ne wa organize abato sisi aye bo na chi ne na ebru ha ba bi kra ya nto wa organize abato ma be sin ne this as main election kran ko fo botu this was an assembly election e nation wa but emunye twintwan to say ne ye to national election hwe aye ketu amponi when you say ni ejina kono to odi akono na ni si trono ano meboa na wo to honum na wo ba besia Jimensa wo to nkofo nyina to honum maami ye tunifu bia anti ye kansa maami we chenchirenchi oba denden ye ko iPad ye kan wasem a wo mfi ni wo muna wo suantie ene wo wamati kopo wo na ni guase ya ye be kono bebu ho akojo Mensa no oba di na ebo mi hu sa de na abaifo na ye bie wo kwa abrucha bebu emba wo bedu immigration no wo kwa passport yes anu yet wo kwa passport wo be bie passport no oba wada ni oba na na no hu video bi a eba ya
ai mi hu bi
osu odu reporter ye hwe the passport no oba di na woda ho wo kekam ni wiase nyina ba wie ye ene dia abayfo timi abaye je mensa e ma fa ballot paper wo ba din be manie na kojo be mani kojo mensa obe pie ona na picture you be foforo assemble ni even ballot papers kwa wantimi am print wantimi arrange ma mi ne nkrofo hu adwenbone be akuratirim a wotongum ne bi no adwenwo ye woni tim say kwa bi obafa so be scheme elections am MPP.
So you think say it's a ploy to rig the
I
was asking this question, but unfortunately you were not on the show. Now we say the minority for Ekika say it's a ploy to rig the election. Because
ploy then na to aba obi ada ne pictures aba na obi yakọ ballot baby e ballot bi adoda number 1 number 2 number 3 number 4 bibia da na kwem jemba dayan bibia da na kwem ye beba no senye ne si airport ibi na bia si abato mu a ya branch na ekekemu ya wudi nti wa wachi tafo no ebu onu ma won timi ntwe picture na fan cancel tini o kan se meda number 3 meda number 3 meda number 3 ya kwa number 3 ya obi din ne heho obi so koi wa kan se le be wontie na number 3 no anu okoto odi si asa wo si amu obi we ya abato anu nti no district assembly election kura ya ntumi anto baabi nti imagine say we a national election na baabi a ya ntumi atoto no na baabi ato ya kenkan no baabi wi ni a won de asi so say national election and ya to wi ye na baabi a ya ntumi atoto ye sin na ke ekoto anada foforo ne ye ekoto a enka baabi a ya toto a ya wi ni no government in power e go hu so lusu no keka ne mamum kasa America national election ka by now baabi a ya ntumi ntunwie no MPP for no won botuo
mo de ka mo nya
na won say this akoto abako botuo
but won say MPP ni bi a sheda akoto abako
won de ma police for akobotuo sa soldiers for no sa soldiers ne ko
dey na police for ko bomba
tie south ebisi ya da kinkan no amafo no se yankinkan mo mu bi ehu asa soldier ni bi atutu pay nipa nwotwe what is say bo bi din ebo police crowd na soldier ni crotche na so say we na ye enti atwe na so okay wo bi da enti ni omo ya no they are testing the waters 1% omo ya na ba bi e beto a omo nyini so be wini no ye to na nyema ye prekese wo ho e so isi say anomaly esi enti e beto nda foforo sa da foforo so no nche say na ya to ye nkan but what must say na akoye ten de na etuye na akoye ten na ekodi side no wo sa de ni bi nti e beto be wie no na baby a ye ntimi anto no
na chese
MPP for who smooth level e bia na I close game bi so ana emu wide omsoki ye koto ho e ho na ye koto no afi ese beje dan na koto aba ye wo dan
okay
samre wo dollars gum pass yi no dollars egu dollars egu politanki ni ye be ka kire wo sa afi di emra so beje dollars na koto aba Ghana ha come there di ni pay o mani pattern series kwa na adwen ntimi sa na be ma dollar systematic law some be your adwen say ye be try asking we ye ma ba bia anto ye wi ase ye koto no foforo enu ho no obi enu smoothness level o ma gi aba no enti omu break the 8 agenda no eno na ma many practice some of the strategy eno no ma many practice but ne wonyame aka no na waka MPP kosoro perform 2024 nana no makasa
the way you are saying say MPP kosoro perform
2024
I say you have the confidence
me see
na Ghana for so Anthony boom afa mamonso
na kwabre for the akofo be so mo pekwa mo montu kwabre akofo do say kukuru mutimo dia mo pa montu it for the first time kwabre MPP be lose
John Mahama His Excellency former president
me see kosoro perform
maybe His Excellency former president John Dramani Mahama GDM eba kumasika so di good kragu kan so enye fe na so say
I mean kasam
doesn't tell it
sasem we ya yekofa na mo kofa kofa ba ya de yentemu ase John Mahama asem wo ka wa me gira pete mu an kan kire ni pase wo tu NDC fofu e wo dem NDC party members no tu ye for say baby e we hanye a stronghold na mundi mu a ne wo beye bia no on beka se nyefe It is said the penny forecast same be said. Tio, say na excellency kaye. It is said the penny forecast same be said. Akoko sachira akoma enye ne fe. Enti mo mama mu don't feel intimidated. No mo de anka NDC your values and your virtues. Your values and your modern money achievement. Mo ko so anka kire kumasemai and your santemai. Now with time they will come to realize. As same way your mama kaye. A dear from Swan, why ye? No people for Danny, I know your mama say, yeah, they go to play. Yes, me, are you guys not doing? Are you almost fair? Are you almost fair? And can you tears you come catch us and your mama and see? I'm on to us, so I'm good. Oh, dear, come here, can you tell phase 2 a contract? Yeah, the contract for free South Africa buy. South market place you want. A big West Africa, baby, a Dubai, a rainy Brazil, maybe your mama, yeah, Sako betim dia kodi kuro mu bole bamboy. Esu yesi ni Kumase. Phase 2 ya ne sign whole contract. President Akufo da bi sika ni nyira ma asa. Say Japan workers mako 1,005. E wo Kenya tia phase 2. What is the central market?
Maybe they have nothing doing.
Omuni yome. Na omuni gasa ki awie.
Okay.
Aduma de de esi wie na Lagos be kofi ani awie na no. E na anwe ne se no. Na mani gu kwa mu mfimfin. E mani gu kwa mfimfin no mo tonye meko ne bode. Akufo de dia ne be na santime mo ade papa bi e sha santime ni mo nyam bi ndc na ye.
Okay.
MPP for the mu gba say ya o president Akufo be kono 2007 na aka afi ba ko pe amanako e no de asorebo sofola anyway sofola ene aspa interchange JJ Rollins Mrs JJ Rollins Atamos John Evans Atamos woni John Mahama and the titiri Ghana sika kakra because project no na Ghana government dia internal generated fund GOG.
Okay.
And the titiri sika kakra sa na di wie na ne ka fa so nti Atamos cars eboye ncham wode musike ya ncham nkan so for la interchange and square interchange mo fi ho ye ni ebe ye wie won so obodo musaka so for la say one minister to na mu tom na waka chop him so na no say to na no pe won kwaso waka chop him so say sika bin hom be Kumasi akwan won ma di o mani sika ma bo won ma to asese bom but near this year bia na yekoto abom be 20 ene ne won mu enti ma do ma maka yo kan bo ne say wo se ni nyina mu no kra no mu mama bo mu nkoso anya dwumaden na mo NDC hu da wupa enchire asanteman ne Ghana man na that's a boy answer be ba what the changes coming. That's how someone do mama kai no the changes coming say baby mama fuma no si wada what do one so na baby ade nkofo kan say the victory of JM is coming again. It's coming again. Again. It's coming again. And someone do mama kai nyina na Kumasi man who say wo be be for line so beti Kumasi man ya santeman who say and this in a shy asantemani munyam Pesawia hospital me the manu si nanu ye wapem so Fred John Dramani Mahama o friend no and o buy no say na me be ya president na me si Pesawia hospital na me si Kumawu hospital na me ya Kumawu water project na me si market makuma nan wo Kumasi na me si kejetia na me si asa me si tafu market
na hospital makuma
o si hospital makuma kunnu Pesawia hospital After hospital Tepa hospital hospital after any see after military hospital adom we na 37 military hospital na ko see sinin kai John Mahama na sire ye rata no se fa Kumasi na tanu se jem ye de be ku
na de hibi
oba he was so na me be ku ma mi si market makuma ko for mi si kejetia mi si atonsu market mi si aswase market na me say si tafu market obi na no wasena na E-block secondary school misi makuma 14 e wo asantemam obo bossa na for 14 adobe ura agrikenzema boban mi nyire ebisisi ho nam aferi kwa so ebisi ho adujama ebisi ho me mobo owi we nyira na chena president Akufo Addo su be pie mu ahimfie ana opem so obisa no na de na so aya mame president Akufo Addo bie na no na ala kashi ni wedi party na chi ache ono so person ono so boa be di president.
Is that what
no Akufo Addo no when the one can
His Excellency
Akufo Addo Nana, we see a free yakuto, ne papa count ya chichi UP, was one of those who be the president. Mahmoud Bami Asneto. Yes, I'm a training, my way, I'll be training pa. Now they see the power of our sentiment. One soon way, and woman contemporary or matro. Never do one monam. Nti isi asɛm a yɛken yɛka be sɛ maame no adwenbɔni a wɔni tirimu no inshallah nyankopɔn ne si hene wɔno ne esu hene tu hene wama MPP ho nya akɔnɔ yɛsɛ wonam a ne yɛkɔfɔ kan ne sɛ yɛtamochi mommra momma mani na hɔ ne yɛnkɔfɔ de yɛnim hɔ yɛnim hɔ sɛ mo akorɔmfo wɔn wi abɛm wɔn wi esi
Let us say God
jinsi de ɔkɔsoro ba fam nyame tumi ti ase ye betu MPP amoma composition ni asan ye Ghana yi sanya NDC abaya ehun fa na kayede ya makoji ani Ratri Park ensase no adaho dada John Mahama le ko hu sa Ratri Park nsuo no esam John Mahama ko hu ni Dubai wan fa ntwama nkobole bamboy obayi sentiment
yeah that's
again MPP aye na sentiment mo mo kam yentie ubi so me se metimi ani opanya botobet wo bo MPP for infrastructure achievement ma kuma ko 10 wa ha me fidie su bi I'm throwing a challenge to you me na me catch you infrastructure ma kuma ko 10.
All right, thank you so very much. 80 minutes after 7 a.m. I think I've done so much well, and then Mama, why express so hot today, you know, So I mean, Mama,
I'm quite myself.
You right, Tiku. My dear na Jackson Pra, and Neddy Wabum.
Once you can miss that in the cancer and back. That here for so here no muti no meaning say. Because I said one of the problems we have in Ghana, the problem about power war Ghana power and this the existence of NDC.
Why?
Because they believe say in politics you can lie your way through. But we try to trust another than no correct. But no question say, won't mean try to man in than no correct. NDC for buy ya me more every be brain. So hospitals are all boarding now. The customer see if you were so opinion be tete no yeka opinion kwame kire ene si fie we ya kwame kire nse nduru fimfia ma ne ba meto aso kwame kire si fie ma nipa betena mu ene ndisi fo nkan kire sa afare hospital den hospital obodi mu dien ene ndisi wie ye e ma obi betena mu mimi won tia no won tiam e bu emu dien na emu ta hospital health facilities obodi emu ba ko ben onyane time on kan kire emu ba ko ben no wie ye e ma ibi nye nurse wo nye doctor wo watchman bi kwa kwatena no say mini watchman be da hospital ha doctor bi watchna oba be wuram aba be hwe yarefo ye ka say we are judged by what we finish not what we start nya ye wie ene ye kan bi ye di edin tare ho nya de ye wi these are substandard government a mo ba ye e ba man mu ma ye ho kire yen enu tina Ghana for to aba over 1 million votes against them to say never again same John Mahama same Mahama tina ma for friend SM same Mahama same John. Only the people this is a person who came to government to be a president or catch it say. Ya we na mana kan dumpe or tuni sasa jira catch it say bibi yeduru ya wani yeduru. Na bridge e bi ambo Ghana. Na so o catch it say bibi yeduru na wani yeduru. E so yesu yenye ye. Na sa don da mani Mahama no. E na baba catch it was antime mo no say. Yenti to so ntu fo mfa ye ketre mansan fo bi wana. Do Mahama na ndisi fo every ba ya obobo ye trimodin catch it say. When my own my Canadian pump friends when so were pumping, no, I don't mamma no say Sanko Fanning Baby. Never again. It's easy for the almost not to us. I catch them for Bri. Aqua boy, and no desire and this is a within the same. Was at the MPP as some worker. Within the same pool. Was at the kind MPP as because they know. Send the penny at the neighbor. Now being pointing in Yansa and in swim whom something that we need for the future. Okay. That's the you see a queen anymore. Uncle Fajo Mahama Sambabu. Would the Nipa or bar what Guinea say? The next generation no and then what you say asantime mo o my project be bubo keje ti adin e bubo market din e bubo school din na di oba Ghana oba president was say Ghana ni babunu bi akoda bi a oba wi GHS ni oba wi GHS wo GHS no ye fa ho kan nyina to the extent say even past questions ye to ma exams fee ye tua ma ama akoko to exams we pass we wo se ko SS no so free untua he to the state say you tua within house dress abeshe you tua ho ka sa ben ya wo di Ghana sika bo Ghana bebunu bia ho bra tell me the next generation will be an educated generation. Minya. O ka sana mo ha o na o kuma na nyame de. Na so minya opportunity o. Tinya opportunity o. Mo se o wo. Wadani ka sana mo de ma. O se ma na o kana nyame. I don't know the questions. The questions that you know. You besides what's the forest, but you decided to talk about birds. Tinya opportunity me so me de. Don't ma on number. Aye bisa no. Nya opportunity me. After I wo so. John Mahama you bisa say why you corrupt that or say as John Mahama our president topic na no we fini ho ana asem no asem say na who say man you bisa we say asem ka get asem
that's what they allow him to
me any mo be ten dia but so reference me bo nyama ten no so reference na aboye because o tia no mo no twetwa Ghana for aso in fact ko fo bebre mo tie no o mo me tie because enwemo mo hu wo MPP aban yi mu no o mu bi da you ko mo no in the era of John Mahama mo is that Kumasi akwai ka se fambre Kumasi ye nche no mantem bia nya bi no mo ko gu asawa constituency ko no mo nim say NDC asawa constituency ko ane ba bia mo MP won mo gidi say mo consolidate e beboa mo because in the future we take all the seats mo nya botre Kumasi airport phase 2 and 3 NDC there
John Mahama contract
okay be mamo mo se mo na mo sa contract e be
Dabi wo be let's
I'll give you back.
Ongoing construction of Kumasi Central Market mpacho mo na mo ya na
ye project ha
mo de mo kwa de mo na mo de ba o mi anko e ba MDC for mo na mo de ba o mi e ba enti e da mo se pa doma ba o be candidate mpacho no so mo na mo de ba mo na mo de be ba because MDC for mo number you bo every project mo project mo di nyina bi mo wie ye ye get discussion mo sa mo sentiment mo 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 be jina ka chese discuss ko kra empo twa mo betwa yo kro mo no ye wunu ta mo be sad no wa na mo ba ka yensem construction of Kumasi to Obuasi railway line na ya start na so mo na mo start na ana no mo start
obi ehun
o mu bi mo wunu da and akwai mo ba sentiment mo mo every point
area contact to Obuasi specifically
okay who dey tell right me sentiment mo every constituency has been touched when it comes to roads by any vonam omo mu say akwa gudu ayeye wa sentiment mo no se ye bi say e bo de wura omo ba se shomu nti and omo kan interchange ndasem no wan nya akwa na interchange wo ya e be link to akwa ben akwa ben na wo interchange wo ya e be link to and akwa wa sentiment mo no uko menshia e ya akwa uko so ya wo kan all the inner roads about 80% of the inner roads ya asphalt go valley on and nobody should be about 80 or 85% of our roads have been asphalted and nobody be mama because of sentiment then na kejita na wo ba be here but kejita wa central market we kejita we are giving you that credit but the fact still remains say sentiment wa MPP ni abaye projects more and then let me start here before also no why ejimisi ba umia kwa so kan o ba umia wo ba umia about be presidential candidate we will tell you the ambulance services that we have done in this country
okay
Asantimemo, how many constituencies do we have? And how many ambulance services do we have? You take one ambulance how many people man ambulance services? Drone services are Asantimemo. We operate drone services. We have a president.
Go ahead.
We have a president in waiting. Now, Grimpo, for the next level. The digitalization agenda now, Abuama Ghana, Nibia, Woody Jumebiano, or a platform that will be able to sell your products and services. No, is the next thing to do. If you catch NDC for this, and you move some more and you be actually, a buyer, you win your buying a Ghana, former Ghana for you now, and looking at policies and programs, even though people say, in your social democratic party. Now, so your policies and programs, be a Bogan and Ibia, and ambulance services. A Bogan and Ibia, do service idea by a Bogan and Ibia, and then V blocks here, but I could say E blocks train, and then V blocks, and then all across Ghana, the ACBI boy, and then come Miami Amamata, Massa High School. Go and look at the addition of classrooms at Yaba, TR mass, girls' dormitory, classrooms are what even the schools now, some of them can even rival the E blocks that he's talking about. E blocks that you build across Ghana. We about 45 of them. 45. You say, okay, so move 200, even 45. No, move be free about so crowd. Not 20 something, and then they pay bit
okay.
At the NDC for there, obviously they'll come to the radio and TV stations. No, baby, chat to thinking said the Ghanaian people will buy, but no credit say the same John Mahama, the same the NDC. obi bia wo beti ato na oto Obama NDC no na wo di so di Ghana e ko na chi na enu ti na no fo ka JJ Rollins ene oni bi ka under John Dramani Mahama ayam pia no mboto to wa no mfie 9 e ma Ghana fo ka say papa yi de on board number and the NDC na minister ba ko ka say onu de so when $1 million obeja politics because we was paying for every great car kese and man just doche in the famous Wyoming case no was see it was as if a brigade you can brigade that to don't tear say the brigade no emrant say maburu bebre ya ka mabuma omo come was it was as if a brigade was formed to create loot and share when the corona was bomb and Nigeria the machine say hey now we because we have financial engineering but over $45 million. Oh no, it's not your mama. Don't worry me. Worry me for over $45 million. No more deal free. Let your mama catch it at the general say. On filing no process. When they say, "Skana, worry me fire." We're for the free. And the MPP buy and worry me down. So same judges and then one more. Your mama catch it at the general go filing no process. And then worry me trace can. It goes to show say at least you crown one more body kroma. You always say corruption is mass murder. NDC ba be mu be wie sika NDC and our mu be wie sika ma judge what can say it was as if a brigade was formed to create loot and share no mo kroma who ka che wa tonu general say ka che say Ghana for ye ndi e chire bi and then when you trace kala ma ban ko no ye ka ko no utimi ka bi and then NDC for ye ka ko no ni katasha NDC ni timi ka bi ba so mu na be ka min kan yi sia yes tell mu na na wo mu na wo se me tell me bi ma no ba Ghana every top e obi ka NDC dia ye ka kroma ane obojo ma antimi obi bia wo re bia bojo ma ma ogugo obojo ma ma pe both corruption and NDC we dey open obi bia wo re bia fa phone na bojo ma ma then the first article that will come will be corruption and bojo ma ma e so wo kroma mo ne appointees ne say group be ne say jeli bi ene ma abu apel mu nyako dem wona kono no I so pervasive say so one chibi antuma kana for best sorry ne NDC ni ba be trust studio anu abana ka kire say kata se kono wa MPP mu project be na mo ye wa santimem a mo kan kire ye ka muzika yetia ye ka muzika yetia kire ko no ba ye ene ukọ abu akwa Sunday mi ko abu akwa eduwe bi na mi fi me ho say ebu akwa na mitikere mo na eduade akwa maduro boko se si anana ene ko bo so ntwa be kwa yeye ene wo free agogo ese kwa e bebi a wo tutu kitwo bi kwa de betu twane asa ye
ya fele
ya bebi kwa bebi ya patch ya no bebi ya no patch bebi ya no bebi wo ma nsuo obo se ekwan no e gibi we ya ba be ye ne bi wo se gu asphalt biom because ya just ekwan ni bebi entutu under NDC na wo ko abontema ya wo betumi 5 minutes akọ under NDC misi bebi mi ka pamunem na bi ma sheme se kam yo ba se bi na kam nyi za ka bi aka wo under NDC na uko bontema ya ubedi be 2 hours ene MPP ba ye asantema mo me re fi ho akwa wo ya ye e bi asantema mo me ne wudi ga o to na mo fo tia mo na ye interchange akwa wo ya ye no mo da interchange na wo ka easy MPP
that AC both of you
easy MPP don't believe because it's no easy as no matter no na MPP4 we will talk about the ills of NDC and why John Mahama should be neglected. He should be voted against again because to be paying for money more penny be one ma obetin to sort of for na one father na some to only 2 from 2016 ya fe no for bio because John Mahama o ka che se wa bre and you ka che se ya we nem na ka dum pe e ya no
all right, thank you so very much
NDC my dear never again
I am the same.
So, me right take you. And my aje, Mashada.
Master say, Wadaroma, mean to mean chow you man.
Oh, sweetheart.
I will not be in any capacity.
I know. Stop it. The mama. You are Munina Mufi. Just let's I want to go there. Because topic made more be that one the Jackson one. I want and me can say be so. No. You are gathering my thoughts. I'm not gathering your thoughts, but I don't want you to go there because you also go entitled to yes. But mommy share my opinion. Your opinion is and your mama topic
There be see.
Then go ahead.
You can't some. Now you draw inferences into a some like Diane.
No, go ahead.
You can't someone. We are allowed to draw inferences to buttress as someone here can. But we don't deviate totally from the topic. It's a major attention say maybe. You can't use
that time Brennico. Yeah.
It's for me, yes, I'm the very better when we have the time to swap. But you don't guide my thoughts.
I will not guide your thoughts.
You tell them I'm flow.
You will do
it. 2 minutes and oh my kasa. Just all the count. You ban on my topic, you discuss a topic.
Must take it to the topic.
Topic in your discussing who we are with me, my inference be my topic, you know. Example, so is. But you don't leave the topic and discuss different topic. And I make us say, about the sound goes to be the topic I said bottom. You can't easy. Make sure the incompetent of easy. Me we na make sure say the power the easy ni by cross wa boss it is the same as the cross. Sana me patch and I be confine homes and send by e come on in every facet of my including their own easy wa bon. Na niente wabon ne say na do na emu abon akofo do na emu wabon because simple principle in human resource management kire say onipa wo fa ni pa adwuma no should be in a position to know the job so that obetimi a kire wa guide wa coach mo ra mo si obi adwuma yi wo ma mo adwuma mu nyina wa yes adwuma yi from day one into wa be forward adwuma bi nko yi otimi tena but what ma say akofo do wabon wọ́n wé ẹ̀nà yìí sì ń sọ àkọ́fọ́ àbáná bọ́ na wọ́n yẹ ní ẹ̀mẹ́ kíákíá ní ẹ̀ka kwasẹ̀m wọ́n ti bí bá kwasẹ̀m dà sí ẹ̀ gbọ́ abẹ́yẹ tó àbá ní wọ́n bí ẹni mọ́dá ní ọ̀bẹ ẹni sẹ̀nyá abẹ́ ìfọ́ di ebi esi à wọ́n ti sẹ́ di esi dà ẹ̀nà náà mi sí mi ní ẹ̀ responding to it ẹ̀nà wọ́n dọ̀ ọ̀jì ẹ̀ it tells you that adé ni ẹ̀ka yìí sì àsẹ́wọ̀n náà NPP adáné ní ẹ̀hún PRO sẹ wọ́n yẹ NPP à wọ́n yẹ yìí sì à ẹ̀nà bí ọ̀tẹ́ sẹ́ yìí sì yẹ NPP na why are you defending yìí sì wọ́n ní mu na ẹ̀gu àṣẹ ẹni wasi akwa ba obi ehunu ntwom emu se samu ya amanyoku a bone ahyemutiri mu mento woni ngwase e mama nya me bata kakra woni nse bi okaka ya eya atro na do fa policy bi amayo so woni mu awon kotie free SHS policy the conceptualization of free SHS starting free ewura kwame nkroma so tina free SHS wo sirem John Dramani Mahama so na beto aso 2015 ebeye no progressively free SHS.
Okay.
We sa report we captured in Ghana Napo report our parliament the first time Napo Kasai as a minister of health.
Okay.
It was captured in his report.
All right.
And IMF report on Ghana 2015 capture.
Okay.
Obi opebi akore IMF case study Ghana. IMF's case study Ghana paragraph 3 e kasa asem no wo ho say John Dramani Mahama cut down waste and making way for much needed social services the moment kind of social the kind of social intervention no abofo no kind of social services and mention free SHS etinya akofo do free SHS buy some platform na boama mu twa ntro but it will not work. The free SHS policy started in 2015 by John Dramani Mahama.
And we didn't see it, we didn't hear that there's a...
And I'm saying some platform the bomb want to say yes, starting to say these students who are across Ghana will be into school fees. That is John Dramani Mahama. We our parliamentary hazard our parliamentary report ya na pona bi na nim say free day SHS no kra no you see for year 46 started 123. Anna another nchen Kano for your council budget talking can in 2017 what can say John Mahama free SHS now or yeah no a sika over 100 million or something I was abaye den etuama school so no entinya akofo the starting free SHS his excellency the visionary the nation builder John Dramani Mahama and starting a free SHS starting free SHS 2015 but and I'm say and central for me a good Ghana I say sika e dey buy borehole sika e dey buy akwan sika e dey buy street light yen fam wo ni
ntwamtwa for so fam mo
yen fam wo ni yes won nye adwuma PWD enkoje pay our Ghana Internal Revenue Service and we say into class John Mama Kasen kofo bia mu media kaba so me go NDC anymore ase sa asɛmtwerɛfoɔ na de papa bi NDC yɛyɛ ɛne asɔfoɔ bi nso a wɔn pɛ abansi ka die nti ni papa bi yɛyɛ wɔn kati ayɛ ɛne ahemfo bi te sɛ wɔkye hene I'm telling you wɔhyɛ batakari ɛyɛ demonstration against John Mahama sɛ ne kwan yɛ
it's done kwan yɛ ama ne demonstration
Ghana kwan nyina ni hɔ a yɛwie ba ne kurom kwan yɛ ne kurom yɛ ne ɛkɔgye sika ɛbɛyɛ water project nti sɛbi obi yɛ adeɛ ma wa wɔsa yɛyie
okay
what you say enti nyema NDC yɛ no nkurɔfoɔ bi sɛ yɛmfa sika no wɔn ni yɛ so sɛ de yɛ de bɛyɛ nneɛma ma manfoɔ dodoɔ na ɛwɔ man no mu yɛ ho tan nie ɛna nkurɔfoɔ ka yɛ tu gyaa ne yɛ kɔ position ɛde wɔn fɔ asɔfoɔ mu anim agu aseɛ asɔfoɔ mu di yɛ mmienu Victor Kusi Boateng di yɛ mmienu yɛfrɛ no Kwabena bi gyamfi ɔno koraa de Victor Kusi Boateng wɔn nim na agu aseɛ ɔmo asɔfoɔ no nim gu aseɛ asɔfoɔ no mo kɔyɛ National Cathedral wɔn mo nim gu aseɛ between asɔfoɔ no ɛne aban the trustees of the National Cathedral ɛne aban no wɔn sika ayira wo muntami 84 million Ghana cedis 84 million Ghana cedis a billion so according to Akadeforiata sika we release among 355 million asofo no sika 352 asofo no sika o saka ye 250 something ye titi firi mu na aka 84 million Ghana cedis ayira monim na gu ase mo se mo ye nya de papa sika e farmer street light central ni se farmer ni Central what's the Captain Smart Kakabu Mudin? Says he can be an chairman Central for 220 million 20,000 Ghana cedis every week. And a Central for BT or Mema Muji Flabayo. And Omakataka 10 people in Guasiaso. And a Captain Smart is when you be a you need freeze our list in more solitary MPP or use or solitary MPP. Now let me come back to it. Or can be for one ambulance per one constituency. Sa project in Yamodia.
They said you are tackling what he said.
Yes, sorry, Rebata.
Alright.
And you project.
Okay.
Honorable Ajima Kwekume, Minister for Health, responsible for health. I call the vet you be say 1 million, one ambulance per one constituency. No, that ben no me or say project and John Mahama they procure here. Just that cast in be do here. No more for buy mo. Or run no more. You cannot lie. It's one ambulance per one constituency and your MPP project and your John Dramani Mahama any NDC project. Or call veteran. That's a more kind of. Or was it really like what to know about Sambida? Running a me. I was a coin or my make us so many was a coin. Only so more pa. Na development near Yaquine. And one of. And
they said you can't stand
development make physical development make systematic system development make physical make or can me so mobile that ones one more to be a bit this what me more what time come sorry also bomb you per wajai if you or becker Osaka can be was a Vicky Hammer sabi me no te hey now what can say $1 million abejai Koowaa TV na no chese sam da kusi ekronfo
no
Vicky Hammer and your money minister
say no sunti na me twa no his excellency former president so or tin officers asem the hand no
opamo no it opamo no a over would nya adwuma so adenti na obesa abegina beka ho asem people sometimes they are thinking yakayana you have a problem with it obi so onyo bebo onya obefa sika ana onyo be bibi na mapamo no se me pa adwene wo ma adwene me a me pamo ni pa koye se me ye ni pa bonefo and bibi sa na modwene oho wanwa mami ma wade bi oka won mo ba oka wonyomi up to now wonyomi sika no wonyomi yesa de ne court e mo no agi tum so obetua otua sika na MPP or static tua ansa na MPP ko ba konyam bi so mo ba what is MPP ni bi aka wonyomi MPP minister bi aka wonyomi asem da what be that sika no wonyomi started paying this is a public record otua 3 tranches ansana ye free abem MPP for by what is all maka wonyomi abana pasi ka na yira ye no eso che wonyomi sika no abana pasi ka no eso che wonyomi sika no
like serious
na be ka kire
we misika bebebe
54 million Ghana cedis when the $1 million na yira $1 million no eno no sika according to source ni yira e kwa chance a won timi nka so obeka say $5 million ayira no nipa $1 million ayira kwa hu sesika yatwim
this can do
it's a also for public up to security no car $1 million
so saving price more than that.
It's more than that. I remember another one thing here obeka say John Mahama and John Mahama ekronfo when you ase Attorney General report 2016 Attorney General report bomwa John Mahama 4-year president obedi Ghana hano sika eyira ye from Attorney General's report after 4 years of John Mahama sika ekodi di nkofo botom ya officially ya documents 75 million Ghana cedis enu 1 billion enu 1 billion Ghana cedis so 750 million Ghana cedis na ira enu 1 billion Ghana Akufo-Addo buy from 2017 up to 2021 2022 there afini yake kan bom ya be kan 2023 abom Akufo-Addo 5 years of Akufo-Addo 54 billion Ghana cedis na ayira 1 billion 54 billion Ghana cedis according to Auditor General report ayira ayira so say John Mahama sika ka John Mahama sika ayira aye ana ka say John Mahama sika ni pabonifo bi wo John Mahama memu mu a etimi yira aye by way of impropriety ni ade no o kan yira bo according to Auditor General report $750 million $50 million Ghana cedis
all right
o kan na Akufo-Addo me penso a me say wey 1 billion Ghana o na Akufo-Addo dia no 1 billion mako 54 ayira mama no so wada mama 1 billion na ayira o de wey be tutu John Mahama o de bawomi a watrase ama 1 billion 54 billion Ghana cedis ayira e wona abemu o de be tutu John Mahama ho aya won fere ade kakra no nipa ya ade osa ayeyi
all right
Richard Nyama won na board member Emma Ghana Infrastructure Road Fund obeka ni Metro TV se sika o makoje so o mo de ba be ye o mo betua contractors sika 1.2 billion yehu 1.2 billion yehu Dr. Bawumia wo PDS ehun sensem we ba ya ye ka se wo matam yisi kakakai e dia ma Akufo-Addo ne na fofo na busuafo ama o ma beje wo ma fa kapre o ne beto PDS o ma fa kapre ama
ma ne na fofo
PDS o ko bie corporate veil no o ma company ni o mo dia no na ye Akufo-Addo na fofo ne ni nuanu ne wo fa so gabi o chida ko mu nyira ka woni me de ma no si watem we nko aho gabi o chida ko mu nyira ka ho e no mo ka o hubo mu e no be fa Ghana ECG for 6 months and we mo gigi ska wo memu 6 months ni ya mu hu contact robi na wo de kwato mo no si Dr. Bawumia ne Akufo-Addo kan ho asem Dr. Bawumia na ma kwan ama mo change policy e fe no prerequisite e fe no bank guarantee o mo change ni insurance guarantee Dr. Bawumia na ma kwan e ma gabi o chida ko na busuafo e fe fa Ghana ECG adisi kan kwan busumi sia PDS akonfo mo ni ewu wo de ho batoto NDC what am I calling to NDC? Oh, bra.
That's it. Thank you so very much for 2 minutes after 7. I hope Semra Tekuni Bibi Akabi. Oh, 2 minutes. Oh, just what can make him say about oh, the years this morning. I don't say, who try to obre who try to obre. Now, if you so catch a telephone for say a brand piano symbol in the osun kukuruko any party e ba ben mu a eboa na me ka only 10 projects only 10 projects in education na e bia no wasore free anu mo se be boa na only 10 projects e be boa na 10 projects so we are ready just to mention them only 10 well, if you also start to mention something that means that we're going to go today they make say NDC won the bia me because NDC a problem of Ghana ana me can say atoa abrebia e no so mbeti baba be di okay ama Ghana fo afa ebra Ghana fo nya de ibetie sansem no eno na na ya e kire se so unya aban bia wo se the next generation should be educated say be ya wuntimi mfa wuzuku se mun sisi obi bi mi ase wakura bi pa na wohunu kwan a education ama busua bia tena hiam centuries a wohunu the power of education why ehia say aban bi ba no se me de Ghana sika bo Ghana mbabunu ho bra ama obi akọ school no akọduru anim mu a umfa sa nipa ni ndi agro ene mi nwen say NDC free agents by edase mi nwen aba betra mo say ambulance services ambulance ye nem ambulance garo on some business go kro mo no ene ejina quarter
majority minority leader e dey one won hye na nti mo de be minority leader thinking say ye no konya quarter e be ma ye susu nyoma bi because ne we minority leader enam krono ne kata hye government am ko se be bu Ghana han mo ambulance service e no ambulance service e dinami e na ambulance service e wo yi e hospital na nam wo e na wonoga last 2 weeks asen bisi wo go and see amalgamation of ambulance services so mo cars be num e si won ma etintam yare for do mo tinem yeah, show more. Wow. Right. Because we have an ambulance services. That's like a hospital.
Okay.
MPP are buying by a bar. What did they say? You know, comprehensive. Say ambulance services is a hospital. Okay. So you feel such as a comprehensive. Our phone. The other father or chobos no dey anything dey. Okay. NDC minded headmasters are or your organization do Mr. Free SHS. By making sure somebody are consider be to come here intellectual. NDC no chrono dey. It is atani ata. It's the money of
I have sweetheart me patch me time. Oh my darling, ye be kwana wo dia shemu ho e dia mami sweetie pie. Wow, couple of messages are abba mamenka be to be ma am far behind after 7 a.m. I will say me na me fa calls into no MCR for my number no, so you can call me and contribute. But this message says that, oh my God, why is it not opening? Open fast. Yes, I didn't make sure messages now. Okay, right. I'm live on Koowaa TV. GH. I have this one from Kingsley or say Ketsy. Of course, you can all go there and then you can actually me will call our line. So hello, good morning.
Good morning, Mama Diane.
Now what to say?
No, we can never do for the chocolate.
Into.
My family does it. No, MPs in Malaysia and this in Wakasa. What when you are Sakasa service, Yano Simoba, MPs in Nino. You mean you are my two way of BBC Kwano. Permanently, the Muslim of Naka. Can you pregnancy? Obia, Sir Mahaman, I what now, Sir Santimemo? I want number one. I want in Guafia. Not yet. Not only to say, the mother is a corrupt, only a Kufado. As a man or more Kapao. We said that on the side. On the side, I'm Panama. I want the days I they say, quarantine. Every for what I want that. Mamma is here, Japa. Number $3. Come and say, Mamma, the Japa and Ska. Can you never do? I haven't already hired someone. You know, I am not going to the same in Guatemala, Abu Baba. I cook a day if you want a shop. But I said the oil and
may I say, of course, which beats me about 50 minutes after 7, of course, 10 more minutes for me to go. Hello, good morning. Hello. Okay, went to me engineer. So Kingsley says that good morning. I'm shocked to hear from the MPP Okavekola. Hello, good morning.
Pacho, good morning.
Good morning, City Pie. Pacho, baby, I'll frame me free. Me Pacho, dini baby, I'll frame me free.
Pacho, me kase free. Akumade afram so.
Pacho, yenti wano pay.
Pacho, you na ye kosi ni die. Pacho, ye pen kwalina.
Adaro mamwanonko. Kwabra Pacho.
So me kwalina mahama. Na me kase free akumade afram so. Na enkomo ye me koyi die. Who say and before no I'm kind of credit that.
Oh, Pacho Mwanonko Anawewi. Alright, unfortunately I think he's not continue what he really want to say, so I will move on. 51 minutes after 7. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Ane
Fati yentie ohoye.
Me wuyo, na mo hie.
Nyame adom ni maboko.
Donya ba president Akufo-Addo ni na ko ye ba ko te bra ni na na hwe ni na market donya do o to okuko na o ma da okuko no so ada agbe woni bai president Akufo-Addo woni bai na kana for the ayo okuko na o ma da okuko do o to okuko no so ada ya nto ki waso donya pa haba president Akufo-Addo no wa ma da no fo ni na de ni wo Papa de yankakura ade ene me obi di dokuna na pishimpi de obi watiri ata pishimpi na iti because iti ba ko tensi pishimpi ba ko tensi ade adoma ma ta me 150 ni ta iti ya ni ko ani na be di ko to do kun pishimpi ya na mu da wo so no me di mo fi anye ni ba ni ti te perfect o be di dokun ni nchina na me dokun ni nchina kwa ti tensi dokun ba ko taisi there's a talk for that day dem dey na for there ya bremu so you ko na NDC for there we want you degree kura because of that before of the ball minister for the sky government party and just my be ahun ọba wo ni be na o ọba before aye ye ni ko on minister me ti ai madam we me ye ni wa ti ya ade nchipo me bi na ni pe no ko ya bi ni ba ye ni wa ti ni na wo ọba before ball minister Ola minister we began abroad when the abroad here 2020 of both players say you for ko do o mo lo mi be di after o ka ba lo kwa data ya fele se ta o ba we kwa honra e ku go na di ko bi on na ko the president Akufo-Addo but be na dia am na ba yes ni so plan
just say o chia no pe baby a obi just in dey say ya o basa na we ni age ne kre ni age papa o say 5 cd to me the connection. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Oh, hello. Hello, good morning. What's me and Jonastos? Unfortunately, I don't know how I'm going to read this message. Quite, an essay message, but I'll try. Hello, good morning. Nyanko Pado, me hoye na onsoe. Hey, what do my feel?
I'm going to my friend.
Afishapa.
I'm coming to now. I was a member of the younger experience in the room. I am a million before the police to see no going on. I want to be home because some women are there, but we are moving in the children. They will make it sense in the and the also some enjoy us. Obi ka election to asiasi MPP for you ta se ebetueti ano le MPP bi esi MPP se furo ko suiti no watwi no se se ko gongo kesi no BBC don kesi no ana se se ni bo ko de toyara ayo ko poya to le ya jidi the queen and the dealer for the system. Why, 24 hour economy as oh, so bad or the same looking. I mean, no personal day when we never done and she said, picking a young person. When you are over the young, the woman you say, also, when you I
Wapi me da Steve Bray, mama fa last caller na fi no me kind me message na me mra. Hello last caller, good morning.
Good morning.
Medo, pacho di ni baby afre me free.
No pacho me ka so free pati.
All right, pacho nti wa no pe.
Na kakra me pese me kan say, MDC for no mo be kasa, e wo say yo mo ni wo kakra. Ye bre see every na akra ne ko school ba obedidi ofie. Nti oba fie na sika ni ho na aduane ni ho a akra no obetini ayi wa asase so. E wo so mo hwese ye mo ba be ka no ye nyen kura bi mo ma be daadai. Eti so mo ba be ka ye so mo a omo ba no omo kasa e ye ni e ma no because party in my room and I never to party in a phone. Yeah, corona and come up with the Jamo Green in it's almost the Casa. I am wishing you said no credit. That's it.
Basho Miss Medasi, I mean, shall be brave. Me Fako via ABM quickly. Let me read this message, and of course, my banner is wrapping up, Mr. Wab. Kingsley Osekesi that good morning. I'm shocked to hear from the MPP guy in the studio blaming NDC for the failure of the EC and the yesterday district, elections. So, absorb, absorb. I think he will blame the failure on COVID-19, of course, the Ukraine-Russia war, or this time on Gaza. He should know that his party is a failure on, and all the institutions created by them are actually falling. One planting for food and jobs is dead, and of course, one factory for one district. Mirage, a dam in a constituency, shambles, laptop for teachers, that's the Lalu digital school feeding, Apu, concrete road out of blue sky train, PDS, Boast oil. It goes on and on. Pache, me they see. I don't also do. This is when you know say. It didn't really manifest. Mira Eko, about hands up.
Yekui. Diane, we never jam.
Diane, Yekui, now, you're T4, a was title was.
I'll give you time.
What title was antimem?
Okay.
Sir Munkosum Kremujim.
Okay.
And this is for Montene at their throat. And then Nada and
okay.
Omni policies and programs to be a Bepwa, Magana, and one here said the MPP by. Na call be can say me about free teachers no can say e be na free teachers ni wono na oba no school na school fees ni wi a akoda be fia wodidi
okay
enti na aban boa ni wayi free teachers kan afiri so a wo wa wo for no so de ne say e fie de na na dada nyina na wotua no wotua obi an koso nkro ni gidiem the new patriotic party ni party e ba e boa mo ya for best kafo
medase
enti mo hwe mo gidiem na mo ntoma MPP abrebi.
Thank you Miratic Jackson.
Diane, akukuduro mu ani wo pa de na menu apanyin wa kire bi pa o. Sade no college ni nyina so mo ye MPP fo. Mo go ani ba sese poto. Hwe. Mi hu ye kasa de ye free a. Ye mo hu ka.
Yeah.
Ye de yan kasa be no free outright. John Dramani ma ama se o nsu oton so for more de. Eno nti oba ni progressively free. Sa na ni ye de ne tie. Nti owofo ntua bi. Na ye nsu ye tua bi. Patwatmase ana ntina ye kone kakran to se bedru baby e betimi afaka ni nyina
okay
ana nhwehwe animu amonoma so ti se wo cha ba ye MPP akofa do de animu e ba no be fine me be ni free SHS ene e ka mi ni we ene wo ko free SHS a do mama tam na utua school fees no utua bia na yeso do mama tam na utua bia na utua bi no now ubeko SHS waboka na 10 million but to boss bibia and wo kwa 15 million and then you free no 15 million na we free
all right thank you so very much Ebrena son pacho quick yes me time so you me
catch any miss yanko yadomo nyame yadomo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama 24-hour health work no e baso e shase anopa no nsia fa ewo Abu post office near the baby of Jackson.
Congratulate me assemblyman elect.
Okay.
From Amakom electoral area, Nyamiadum for the first time in the history of Amakom. Yenya oba Doris Ochidakun our assembly member elect. And ni so ni jese yetimi etai.
Me ba choma Adasantima NDC.
Okay.
Ishiem Roma Hill. Nyame yadom a echina yakọ work no ba ye besa be hia ye fa ewo offenso ajali din nkrofo na afi konongo nyina ba be hia na afi
na me so na Miratic of course Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the MPP and of course Jackson Pra adorable brother and also Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the NDC. Of course, executive producer for the show, Ayura Sam Darkus. Me director, Ayakwesi Adumaku Jr. Jake, a producer. Well, famous any new face so one more and Ebo Mechidom, or MCR, Emma Edijumedi Ebrel, meeting Eddie Diane, Eduhene, Jemfi Kwatinakos, of course, about 1 p.m. and Weshame, oh, Kumasi 104.1, Medi Kumasi Kwansijumedi, so Ebeba Abesomo. You watch now, until then. Merry Christmas to all of you. Bye.